Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to install just a regular switch for just a light. It's not a three-way, it's just a regular switch. What I usually do first, just take these little corners off. Makes it a little easier just to fit in the box because sometimes the sheetrock gets in the way a little bit. It'll give you a hard time in the long run. And what I usually do, cut this just a little bit. Just to make it easier, I'm just sliding in. Just like that. All right, so what you're gonna do is get your wire strippers. Strip it, strip the hot. And you're gonna have your ground in here. Should be stripped already. It's ground. And our other hot. Let's see what you do. Let's push those back in there. Grab this other hot. Strip it. And fold it like this. It's a nice little technique that I learned. Showing to you, make your job easier. Make it look all nice and pretty as well. Ground goes on the green. Twist it up. Hot. Over here on this side of it. Put it in there, fold it up real nice. Twist it up. Same thing for this one. And first of all, step one is make sure the power's off, which this is a new build, so there's no power running to it. None whatsoever. But even then, still act like it is. Act like there is power. Wear your safety gloves and everything. Just always be safe. Push all the wires in there, nice and neat. Drill it in. Same thing on this side. And that's it.